Hello students, welcome to the session. Today's topic for the session is definition and axioms from your Euclid's geometry chapter. So we will discuss these axioms from Euclid's geometry of your class 9th. Okay, so let's start the session. First of all, we should be aware of that word definition. What is your axioms? What is axioms? So it is a statement that is valid in every aspect of your maths. Okay, it is applied, it is applicable in every branch of maths. So it is like we can write it, it is also accepted by everyone. It is also accepted by everyone without any proof and applicable in all fields. Applicable in all fields. Just like we use some words, theorems, axioms, results. So axiom. So here the word axiom, it is accepted by everyone and it doesn't require any proof and it is valid everywhere. Okay. So this is the word axiom means. Now in this chapter there are 7 axioms. So we will discuss it one by one. So what is the axiom 1? Axiom 1 is if the two things are equal to a common thing, if the two things, see, this chapter is some theoretical statement based, so we have to learn, we have to just memorize the statement, but we should understand what the statement is trying to say. If the two things are equal, if the two things are equal to a common, if the two things are equal to a common thing, then these two things, then these are equal to one another. Then these are equal to one another. That means if I say if A is equals to B and C is equals to B, so see, if two things are equal to a common thing, these two things, this and this are equal to BB, then these are equal to one another. So that means your A and C, they both are also equal. That's simple. Okay. So next is your axiom 2. What is axiom 2? If equals are added to equals, if equals are added to equals, then the wholes are equal. Then the wholes are also equal. That means if equals are added to equals, so let us say if I have A is equal to C and B is equal to D. If equals are added to equals, so this is equal to this is equal to this. If I add these two terms on the left side, if I add A plus B, and if I add on the right side C plus A, then these two whole terms are also equal. Clear? So this is your axiom 2. Similarly, and then your third axiom, axiom 3. If equals are subtracted, we have seen the addition, now we will see the subtraction. If equals are subtracted from equals, the remainders are equal. That means if I say these two statements are equal, A is equals to B and C is equals to D, if equals are subtracted, if A minus C and B minus D, they are subtracted. So the remainders, these are the remainder part, these are also equal to each other. This is your axiom 3. Axiom 2 was addition. Now this was your axiom 3. Now what is your axiom 4? Things which coincide with one another, things which coincide with one another, things which coincide with one another are equal to one another. See, things which coincide with one another, coincide means just completely overlapping, completely fit. So if I say this is one line, red line, and if I draw another line over here only, so these two lines are coinciding each other. Okay, they are exactly fitting each other. It is exactly adjusted. So when things are coinciding with each other, they are equal. So since on this red line I drawn a yellow line. So of the same length. So that means they both are equal. Okay. So they both are equal. So this is what your axiom for. Things which coincide with one another, they are equal to each other in every aspect. So axiom 5. The whole is greater than the part. The whole is greater than the part. Okay. So if I say this is a complete anything, complete picture, the whole thing. So if I draw it divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, if I say this is my fourth part, so your complete figure is always greater than this each part, individual part. This is what this axiom 5 is saying. Okay. Next, axiom 6. What is axiom 6? If things which are double of the same things are equal to one another, okay, that means if things which are double of the something, if I say my A is twice of B and C is twice of B, if things which are double of the same thing, see A is double of B and this C is also double of the same thing, same B, then these two are also equal to each other. Since it is same, so this will be also same. Okay, now this is your axiom 6. Final axiom, it is your axiom 7. It says that things which are halves of the same things which are halves of the same things, if double is there, now half are equal to one another. Things which are halves of the same things are equal to one another. That means if I say A is equal to half of C and B is equal to half of C, since A is half of some C, B is half of some any element C, so this A and B, this both are equal. So this is your complete 7 axioms. So you have to remember these axioms by their statements. Okay, and don't just learn it, just try to understand. These are very simple. Okay, these are some simple based theory axiom type. Okay, so I hope you understood this topic. If you have any doubt, you can contact me through my Urban Pro profile. Till then, revise and let's meet in the next session. Thank you.